Hello guys, welcome back to Art Tabahi. So today we are going to make friendship cards on this special day, Friendship Day. So let's make. I'm using black marker on this. I have made this colorful paper on my own, and if you want to know how I have made this, don't forget to comment in the comment section. So our first card is ready. Let's make second card. So I have taken a milk glass and a combination with cookies and written "You are my best friend." Making some hearts. I'm going to color blue. I'm using Dom's pencil colors. Using brown and yellow. So guys, as you can see, our second card is also ready. Let's move on to the third card. Using a black pen. So I'm going to erase the pencil marks, coloring blue and yellow. So guys, as you can see, our third card is also ready. Let's move on to the last card, that is our fourth card, and I like this card so much. I have written, "I can always make you smile. Happy Friendship Day." So guys, as you can see, it's looking pretty. Now I'm going to erase my pencil marks. And as you can see that our fourth card is also ready and it's looking so beautiful. So guys, don't forget to comment which card you like the most, and don't forget to share this with your best friends and family members. Thanks for watching. Bye.